MS Excel tips and tricks you didn't know. See this magnificent formula for creating unique graphical display in your Excel sheet. Follow these steps. When you change the value, graph changes automatically.
This is how to change lowercase into uppercase in Excel. This is how to change uppercase into lowercase.
Don't skip this video. Using formula in numbers and text mixed cells, please learn this method. Follow these steps. Don't skip this video. In the format cell, write the command as shown on screen. You have to type text as per your requirement. Did you know how to apply tax deduction formula? Did you know that you can use autocorrect option in Excel? See this. You can use it in a tricky way. Closely observe and don't skip this video. Please follow these steps. Don't skip this video. When you type short keys, autocorrect will complete it automatically. Copying multiple rows at the same time in your Excel sheet. Start copying all your required rows. How to create a large number of folders with the help of Excel. For this, follow all these steps and see the magic happening. Don't skip this video. Paste all your data copied from Excel sheet in a text file. Save your text file with the extension of BAT, and after doing this, run your file. The magic has been done. Please follow and subscribe Techmaster for more.